You know, when my father passed away, we never had a will. He didn't, he never wrote a will, so he had a trust. So the government in Jamaica, they wanted to sell all his rights. So it was my sister Sidala and Mama Rita of age, Sidala, of age, and she was the one to fight for it. And we as the children, I was getting ready to go to school. We had no money. Everything was frozen. You know, my dad was only making what? Let's call it, what year? About $2 million his estate was at the time. So it was frozen. Lawyer fees, this, that, and the third. All we had was our father's rights, his likeness, and his music. And we did not sell that. And at no time we were going to sell that. People offered us, what year was this? $20 million.